Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you our new model 3013 EPS box printing machine under manufacturing. Our customer ordered this machine several months ago. The 3031 model is an upgrade model from the 250180. As you can see, the whole base is welded together for a better stability. We also reduce the machine size so that the whole machine can easily fit into the 20-feet container. 250180 model requires the frame container. The delivery time takes longer than expected, but I'm sure it's worth waiting. Besides of the size and the basement, the main components has been also upgraded. I will take more video to explain once the machine is finished. For more information about EPS box printing machine, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. See you next video.